Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a beginner and you are confused between copywriting and content writing, then this video is for you. I'm Hifsa and this is Copywriting with Hifsa. A lot of people want to start writing online, but they really don't know the difference between copywriting and content writing and which one pays more and which one they should choose as a beginner. In this video, I will explain each and everything. So let's get started. Before we start, I want to clear one big misunderstanding. A lot of people think I can't do copywriting because my English is not perfect. I'm not a native speaker. But let me tell you something very important. Copywriting is not about perfect English, fancy word, a difficult vocabulary, or sounding like a native speaker. It's about clear and simple language. In fact, studies shows the copy written in a simple language at basic level converts better. If you think that only an English speaker could write a good copy, then every native speaker would be a copywriter, but that's not true. Copywriting is skill to understand the people mindset, to guide someone toward a decision. And one more thing, don't try to sound like a native, because when you force it, it sounds fake and cringe. And be yourself, be honest, be clear. That's enough. So let's start the difference between copywriting and content writing. The difference between copywriting and content writing is purpose. Copywriting is write a word to sell, to make someone to take any kind of action. For example, landing page, sale page, email, ad, webinar scripts, anything written to make someone click, sign up, join now, buy now. And these line like join now and start your 7 days free trial, or lose weight in 30 days. This is copywriting. On the other hand, content writing written to engage, inform, and build a trust. For example, blog post, Instagram caption, YouTube script, and education article. Content writing doesn't push people to take any kind of action immediately. Instead, they build a connection first. And the second difference is direction. Copywriting is one directional, one idea, one message, one call to action. It's like guiding someone step by step toward one decision. For example, if you want someone follow your Instagram, you don't ask them to subscribe your YouTube channel or read your blog post in one copy. One copy is equal to one action. And content writing is multi-directional. It's more like conversation. You can explain different ideas, share links, explore multiple topics. That's completely okay in content writing. The third difference is goal. The goal of copywriting is higher conversion, more sale, more revenue, and the copywriter judged by one thing: did it convert or not? On the other hand, the goal of content writing is like, share, comment, trust, and brand awareness. Content build trust, and copy convert that trust into the sale. They work together. Now the question: which one is better? Honestly, both are important, but my personal advice is choose one, because I made this mistake myself. As a beginner, you want to try everything as at the same time, like copywriting, content writing, SEO, digital marketing. Copywriting, content writing are connected and their basic are similar, but to become good, you need to focus on one skill at the first. Now the question is which one you should choose. It's honestly depend on you. For example, if you want faster income and high paying skill and client based work, then copywriting is for you. But if you love storytelling, educating people, and long form writing, then content writing you should choose. Personally, I like copywriting more because it's more focused, more action based, and need less tools. And if it pays you well if you master it on this skill. Both are good, but content writing need more tools. But honestly, my personal recommendation is that don't put your feet on the two board at the same time. First focus on one, then expand. So if you choose copywriting, then this channel is for you, because there are a lot of channel teach content writing, but there are very few that teach copywriting, especially for the beginners. If you are a beginner and you want to learn copywriting properly, then this channel is for you. My final advice, whatever you choose, for don't mix everything, focus on one thing and practice deeply. That's how you gain confidence, and that's how client trusts you. If this video helps you to understand the difference, kindly like, subscribe, and comment below. In the next video, I will explain what a copywriter actually does on the daily basis. See you in the next one.